Nice. What do you think? What?
I like it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Two Leaks. Jon and Jon here, cooking for you yet again. Jon, tell them what we're making.
All right, so we are doing carrot and parsnips in a skillet. It is perfect for a dinner party, birthday party, or just a party.
Or just you. There's nothing wrong with you. But honestly, this cast iron skillet we're using today is really, really cool. Mm-hmm. If you saw the last video where we made the awesome homemade grilled cheese and tomato soup, and let me just say, if you haven't seen that, you can agree with me here.
Yeah.
Go back and watch it really quick. Yeah. But, hey, if you saw that video, you saw the awesome cast iron that we're using. We're going to be using it again today, getting that utilization out of our stuff. It's going to be awesome. Really excited to bring it to you. I mean,
listen, I'm just really excited to eat it.
You know what? That's a good point. So let's get the cooking done so we can get the eating done. Right. What do you say, brother?
Hey, let's do it.
Let's do it, man.
All right, guys. We'll see you. Now, here's a list of ingredients you're going to need to make the carrot and parsnips in the skillet. Unsalted butter, extra virgin olive oil, 3 carrots, 2 parsnips, all-purpose seasoning, and salt and pepper. So here's the start to the process. You're going to want to make sure you get the outer layers of the parsnips and the carrots shaved off. You're going to need to get the outer layers off the carrots and the parsnips. So now once you do this, make sure you cut them in the match size. I mean, they're going to be small pieces, and that's the point. That's what you want. And now once you do that, what you're going to need is to set your epic skillet on the stove and cover in butter and oil. Don't skimp out here. I mean, come on, just throw a lot of butter on there, all right? Place your carrots and parsnips into the skillet and whack them with a big pinch of salt. I mean, seriously, don't skimp out on the salt either, but don't put too much, obviously. So now add the pepper and the seasoning. Now stir occasionally for about 3 to 4 minutes for color, before covering it for another 3 to 4 minutes to cook the vegetables all the way through. All right, so here's what we're doing here. We're just making a little brown butter recipe, okay? We're gonna melt some butter, put some sage leaves in it, and then, once we get the leaves in there, as so, lemon. Just a little more butter. Won't hurt. So now the whole point of this is it creates more of a cooked flavor to it. That's the whole point of brown butter. And now I think it's rather simple on what I mean by that. When it turns brown, it can be any type of darkness that you want. That means it's done and it's ready to go. Let's get that lemon out of there now. Ooh, maybe can I? There we go. Why not? Just, yeah, there we go. We're getting there now, guys. Alright, now you see how it's turning that color? Right there on the edges. That's what we want. Be careful, it doesn't all evaporate. Just a little bit more. We're getting there. Smell the lemon, the sage, even the butter. Really, it doesn't take long at all, like maybe a minute, 2 minutes, depending on what you want with the butter. Here we go. Another second here or two. Okay guys, so we finished the parsnips and carrots in the skillet, and it was a very easy dish.
It was awesome. Really nice.
It was nice. It smelled great.
Oh my gosh.
And honestly, like we said in the beginning about it being more like a side dish, party dish, absolutely. I think it would complement steaks, salads, really pretty much anything. I mean, it's definitely a very easy complimentary dish.
I would agree. Yeah, definitely not a meal by any sense of the word. But I think you put this against any sort of meat dish or anything like that, you're gonna love it.
Absolutely.
And I'm excited to see how much we're gonna love it when we try it here. So let's just go ahead and do that.
I don't know if I've actually ever had parsnips before.
I don't think I've had parsnips either. All right.
This is really good.
God.
I'm
Oh
impressed.
my God. I'm beyond impressed.
Wow.
That is something I feel like you would pay for in an insanely high quality restaurant.
That's really good. The pepper.
Oh my God.
I love the pepper in
The
it.
pepper's where it's at. Let me try that first parsnip. Okay. Let's see what creation did there. Wow.
Yeah, that's really good.
That's...
We added a lemon.
We did.
Some lemon juice to it. I mean, as you just saw, not even a minute ago, the brown butter recipe that we tried. Yeah, I mean, it really brings out flavors.
It amps everything up. It just takes this whole thing up a notch. Which, by the way, if you drop a like on this video, it's going to help us take this whole thing up a notch. Move up in that YouTube algorithm. With all that being said, guys, try this one out. This cookbook was just absolutely incredible.
Oh my God, yeah.
I love it. It was fantastic. This recipe was really fantastic. I'm blown away. I really am. But I think we're just going to go ahead and enjoy the rest of this here, and hope that you guys try this out and you enjoyed this. And hey.
We'll catch you next.
Oh, we're just going to end there. Goodbye.